Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a winter clothing haul, and I am super excited for this one because this is probably the most successful shopping run I've ever done, like ever. All these items are from Plato's. I did a thrifting vlog a couple weeks back, and I basically explained in that video that every time I go to Plato's, it's obviously different. Sometimes I walk out with a bunch, sometimes I only walk out with 1 or 2 items versus sometimes nothing at all. I'm definitely not the type to buy just to buy. I always make sure it's the right price for what the item is, the right fit, and if it's not absolutely perfect, I'm not walking away with it. Most of the time I do end up buying at least 1 or 2 things from Plato's though, so that just goes to show how much I really love them. This video is not in partnership or collaboration with them in any way. I just love Plato's because you get the high-end brand without having to pay the high-end price tag, and all their items are 100% real, guaranteed. They authenticate all their items so you know that you're not getting like counterfeits or fakes. I got some American Eagle, Michael Kors, UGG, just all those like super amazing brands. And even if you're not on a budget or trying to save money, it's just like, who would rather spend $60 for a pair of jeans at American Eagle versus getting 4 pairs for that same price, you know? Like, you'd be stupid to go to the store and pay original price. The clothing items are used, but they wash them at Plato's, and I do a double extra wash when I take them home before I wear them, so I honestly don't mind repurposing clothing. They are really strict on what they accept. If you've ever tried to sell to Plato's, you know that they are very, very difficult and picky with what they accept and sell. The main thing I went for was jeans, and I was definitely successful. As you can see, lots of them were also on clearance, 70% off, and all these literally fit so comfortable and perfect. My jeans, I outgrew them. Like, they could fit, but it's just like super tight and uncomfortable to the point where I literally never wear them. So all these are all the same style. I know they're super stretchy, they're jegging style, so they're comfortable, they feel like literally like leggings, and they all are just super cute and my updated style. I had so many jeans that were just from like years ago. So the first pair of jeans were these Hollister high-rise super skinny jeans, and these are the Hollister Shape Love kind, so they kind of like go to your curves, and they're just super comfy even though they're like skinny. I absolutely love these. These were only $15. These were not on clearance. The next pair was a lighter pair of jeans, and I made sure to get at least 2 light pairs and 2 dark pairs and 2 medium pairs. That's the way I have like one of everything. And I got a couple with no rips, but these are also 1R Hollister jeans, and the same type of deal. They have a little bit more rips in the front, and they're like frayed at the bottom. These were $15 as well. Like I said, their pricing is very like standard. Like, I think all their Hollister jeans, no matter what size or style, are all $15, and then I think the American Eagle ones are $18, which is these next pair of jeans, which don't have any rips. These are American Eagle size 0 regular, and these are literally the most stretchiest, comfiest jeans I've ever put on. They fit so well, they look super flattering for some reason, and they just feel amazing. And these are the super high-rise jeggings, the super stretch kind. Oh my god, I don't know why Plato's, why do you leave your tags on stuff? On one of the other jackets I'm going to be showing you, they left these security tags on them, and they are the biggest pain to get off. Sometimes you can't even get them off because there's like ink in them, and they'll ruin the clothing if you like try and take it off at home. These were $18, like I said, but these were on clearance for 70% off, so let me do the math. These jeans were literally $5. And that's the reason I was able to literally swap out my whole new wardrobe. Like, literally, if I were to go to the store like and get these all brand new for $60 each, let me just calculate how much that would be in itself. 7 times 60, let's just say they're all 60, that would be $420. I got so much other stuff. I got some UGG boots I'm going to be showing you guys, a Michael Kors puffer jacket, and it was all under, I think, like $300. This next pair was another pair of American Eagle jeans. These have rips on them, and they're like darker denim. These are 0 regular as well, the next level stretch, and these are just the plain high-rise jeggings. Next is another pair of Hollister jeans. These have like very minimal rips on them. They are see-through, but they're not like big. They're not even really rips. They're kind of just like tears. They're straight at the bottom. These are a 1R high-rise jean jeggings, advanced stretch. You guys, literally, these feel like leggings. Like, they're so comfortable. And I just don't know why I didn't discover jeggings earlier. I always used to just squeeze myself into super skinny jeans. Like, they were so uncomfortable. Like, my thighs would literally come out the rips in the jeans, and like, I couldn't stand wearing them. These were $15 with clearance, $4. $4. Another tag. Security thing if they left on. Oh my god. Next is another pair of Hollister jeans with minimal rips as well. Kind of the same style as the last ones. These are a bit lighter, like more blue denim. And these are actually a 0 regular, not a 1. And they fit like the exact same, and that's why I like being able to try it on there, you know. These were $15 as well on clearance too, so $4. And then this last pair of jeans, which is from American Eagle. These have like rips only at the knees. They're straight at the bottom. These are the 360 next level stretch. Oh, these are actually a size 0 short. And they fit like the 0 regulars. I don't know really what the difference is. I'm 5'4". I think this is the darkest pair of denim that I got, but yeah, I can't wait to put this with my other jeans. I didn't get rid of like all my jeans, but I got rid of quite a lot of pairs that I'm going to be selling in my Poshmark, by the way. Next are literally the cutest things, you guys. I saw this in the line at checkout. They were actually on the shelves behind the like kiosk, and if anybody knows anything about me, this is like me in a shoe. They're like literally the cutest. They have bows on the back. They're gray. They're neutral. They're sparkly. Like, oh my god. These are also like brand new condition. Like, they look like they were barely ever used. They're not creased at all. They're not dirty. They're not scuffed. I actually have another pair very similar that I've like had for I think almost a year now. And as you can see, these just like outshine these so much. Like, I love these so much. I'm keeping them both. I actually paid original price for these because I've never seen something at the time like this, like sparkly Uggs. To literally look at the damage, you guys. Like, she's creased, okay? I wear these, I wear them a lot, but like not like an everyday type thing to have this many creases. I don't know, these are cuter and more shiny. I feel like these won't crease as much either because they're like thicker. These were $55, by the way. They were my size. It was just meant to be. So I also got another pair of Uggs, and I wanted like a new tan pair because I do have a pair of like the chestnut Uggs, but I want like the Bailey bow ones with the 2 bows on the back. Unfortunately, I didn't have nice enough condition ones for me to like spend my money on, so I ended up buying these as well. These are in super good condition too. These are actual sequins, if you can see, and they're just plain black. They're super soft on the inside. Both with this Ugg and this Ugg, none of them are matted on the inside, like literally at all. I just wish you guys could feel how like plush it is. Like, it feels like they were never ever worn. And these were $40. And then last but definitely not least, I actually picked this up on a different trip, but I still have the tag on it because I need to take the security tag off, like I mentioned. I saw this in the aisle and I instantly fell in love with it. I knew I was gonna buy it no matter what, but then when I zipped it down to check the tag, it's Michael Kors. I love Michael Kors. It's my favorite brand. And this was $50. Super cute, like puffy pink winter jacket. It has silver accents and everything. You guys know I don't like gold. So yeah, that was it for this winter clothing haul. I'm definitely going to be doing winter and fall lookbooks this season, so definitely stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below what your favorite brand is. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also stay tuned for my next video. Right before I filmed this one, I transitioned my closet from summer wardrobe to my fall and winter clothes, so definitely be on the lookout for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.